Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing Amazon Prime Day deals to share with you. We have a nice little mixture of promo code deals and major brand sale prices that you know and love. Everything will be linked down below. Also, a lot of the deals from yesterday's video are still good, so if you missed that, make sure to check it out. I'll try and remember to put a pinned comment with a link to that video, but a lot of the stuff is still available. First up for this video, again, link down below, we have the Dashcam 4K 1.5-inch screen 5G Wi-Fi with a 64 gigabyte SD card. It does all the things, the G sensor, parking mode, night vision. This is by Sivai, whatever it is. It is right there. Now, I like the ones that are 5G and connect to your phone because I don't like a big screen on my dash cam because I'm already looking through the windshield. I don't need to see what the dash cam is seeing. So once you get it set up, use your phone. You can always view it anytime that you want. But once you get it set up, you really don't got to look at it again. Just if there's an accident. And then you got to determine, was the accident your fault or someone else's? Because if it was your fault, I forgot to put an SD card in my dash cam. Oh, damn, I forgot. $42.98 as a prime price. Now we also have a 30% promo code. It's good for today only. So we're stacking the prime $42.98 plus 30% off on that. It will work for multiple quantities. You want to buy one for a friend or a loved one or I don't know, someone else, you can. Next up, we got the Gear Wrench 47-piece quarter-inch drive 6-point socket set, standard and deep. I like it deep myself. SAE and metric. So you got the chromies, 6-pointers. Prime price of $26.38. That's such an amazing deal for a 47-piece set from a name brand. Home Depot has it for $54.80, twice the price. Acme Tools even higher at $66.99, plus shipping over at Acme Tools. Well, I don't need these sockets at all, but I'm looking at $26.38 and thinking, I'd be stupid not to buy these. I don't know where I'm going to put them. I already have all of these, I'm sure of it. But damn it, that's a good price. It's a good price. Got a 12-volt car battery tester, battery load tester, 12-volt alternator starter tester. Winter's a-coming. Do that load test. Make sure that cold temperature doesn't leave you with a dead battery. Conway, 40% off. Real basic little guy. Now, the prime discount is going to be $20.95, but their promo code is stacking with it. Again, that's good for just today. Here's your promo code right there. Take an additional 40% off, so you're only going to pay about $12 for a battery load tester. One thing that is new, because Amazon has made changes to some of their discounts and everything, as you guys know, a lot of the coupons and promo codes don't stack anymore. It's not totally universal, but it is certainly pretty common these days. I noticed even with some of the prime discounts, the promo codes don't work. Like, it's a working promo code. The promo code is not dead, but it does not take anything off of the prime price. Now, that is not, again, universal, because on the last item we were able to double dip. But it's been something that's been a pain in my ass for this Prime Day thing, because now I have to check everything. Next up, short pressure washer gun, 360-degree swivel, 4,000, that's a 5. 5,000 PSI, industrial gray. This is by Angie Sang. 50% off, comes with all the nozzles, get a little Teflon tape. Stub nose. Now, this is perfect for foam cannons, by the way, because if you have the long, like, what is that, like 3 feet line coming out of this thing, and then you put the foam cannon on the end, it's like 5 pounds, which doesn't sound like a lot, but you hold your arm out in front of you, then get a stick and have another 3 feet, and then put 5 pounds on the end of that. Damn thing gets heavy now, especially when you're trying to wash an entire vehicle. So I like this specifically when using a foam cannon because it's just much easier. Prime price, $29.99. Again, this one does combine because I checked. 50% off the prime price. You're only going to pay $14.99. Oh, that's damn near what you'd have to pay if you went to like Walmart or Home Depot just for these little nozzles. Getting a whole spray gun with it. And you could always add a line to the end of this thing and make it work like a traditional one. Titanium step bits, Unibit, 28 sizes, high-speed steel, standard step drill bit. By Nyko, look at that 3-piece set right there. Looks like they're single cutters. Have all the sizes marked on the side. Of course, it's straight, not spiral. Normally $12.99. We have a prime price of just $6.14. What's that, $2 a bit? Really good. Now, at that price point, you can't expect it to perform as good as like a $100 DeWalt step bit, but softer materials, it'll be just fine. Do got to temper expectations. You got to be realistic on what you're getting for $6. DeWalt toolbox with wheels, modular, large rolling toolbox, telescopic handle, portable carrier, deep stackable, T-stack storage. So your little base guy setting you up for building up your own little tower. Got the wheels, telescoping handle. Is it telescoping? Collapsible, maybe? It does say telescopic. I would say more like collapsible. $48.99. Price matching Acme tools. Of course, you're going to have to add a shipping charge at Acme for that. Max tool, $74.99. And tool nut, $80.99. Got a Metaboo HPT. Brad nailer kit. Pneumatic 18 gauge. 5/8 up to 2-inch brad nails. So this is going to hook up to the old air compressor. By the way, since I have you here, Hart Tools at Walmart has their stand-up air compressor. I don't remember the size, but it's available in store. Stores have it on clearance, but the stock is limited. Only one store around me had it in stock. The normal price is $256. Some stores have it down to $156, and then other stores have it all the way down to $100. It is a stand-up air compressor. It is Hart brand. It is in the tool section if you happen to be at Walmart and want to check it out. But this is the nail gun to go with your air compressor if you can find it. Prime price of $51.80. Lowe's $69. CPO $69.99. The only store I saw around here had it at $150, and I didn't need it. But if it was going to be $100, no matter how much I don't need it, I would have paid $100 for it. Wilton General Purpose Bench Vise, 4-inch jaw, 3-inch max jaw opening. That'll be enough. 2 1/4-inch throat. That'll be enough too. $61.27. Prime price. Always need a quality vise. You get one of those El Cheapo ones from Harbor Freight, and the damn base will just break right off. Right here. Just snap that bastard right in half. That's why we're going with the Wilton. Get a little bit better quality here. Northern Tool has it at $94.99. Grainger. Look at Grainger. I love Grainger. Show us that high price, Grainger. We ain't going to buy nothing from you, but at least it'll give us some sense of what we could have been paying for this thing. $140.39 at Grainger. Almost $100 more. Good old Grainger. They're taking the Tool Barn spot. Remember Tool Barn? They went out of business. They also routinely had the highest prices you could possibly pay for any tool. I am shocked that they went out of business. Wilton Bash. 24-inch. It's a Dana Bash. Soft face sledgehammer. It's an 8-pounder. On sale for $72.98. Lowe's $112.99. Northern Tool $112.99. Acme Tools $125. Now this is also another one. This was a smaller guy, and I don't remember. It might have been 4 pounds. Still a little mini sledge guy, but I think it was $36. You'll have to go to it, but did find both of those. Gear wrench, 3-piece, quarter, 3/8, half-inch drive, 84-tooth, full polish, teardrop, ratchet set. Look at those guys there. 84-tooth, pretty good. It's not a 120-tooth, but it beats the hell out of, 36-tooth of some of the old-school ratchets. Yeah, damn near swing that thing all the way around in a circle before it grabs the next tooth. Nothing worse being in a nice tight spot. You can barely get your ratchet in there, and you're wiggling it back and forth like, come on, grab the next tooth, you and it won't do it. You don't gotta worry about that with the 84 toother. You barely move that thing at all and you're grabbing teeth. You hear click, 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 click. You're like, yes, there's no better sound in the world when I'm in a tight spot and can barely reach this bolt than click, 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 click. Oh, yes, thank you. $49.99. Don't have any comparables with it. I tried looking up some comparables and they weren't the exact same model number. They were slight variations of the model number. And I thought, well, that's not very helpful. Gear wrench, 12-piece metric ratcheting wrench set. Fixed head, not flex. Don't believe these are reversible. But you're getting a whole little rack of the metrics, 12 of them for $52.49. About $10 cheaper than Home Depot, has it for $61.81. And Zorro, $138.99. Wow. Wow. Good job, Zorro. Good job. Speaking of good job, did you see that Chiefs player, the defensive lineman at the end of the game, who just stood there watching them score a touchdown? And it was a long-ass play. It was like a 30-second play, and he's just standing there looking like, yep, they're about to score. I heard he just signed a big fat paycheck, so I think that kind of explains it. Craftsman, cordless angle grinder, toolkit, 4.5-inch battery and charger. So, being Craftsman, it is owned by Stanley Black & Decker, which also owns DeWalt, which means their model numbers all coincide. So, the M code means that's a 4-amp-hour battery, and the 1 tells you you're getting one battery. So, one 4-amp-hour battery. It's a full kit with the cordless angle grinder. Boy, wouldn't it have been amazing if they made their batteries and chargers, the DeWalt and Craftsman's, interchangeable? That would have been great. Prime price, $84.14. Look at Acme Tools, over $100 more. $189 at Acme Tools. Half-inch, quarter-inch, shank carbide tip, all-purpose professional router bit set. It's a 10-piece set. Seen these guys on sale before. Whenever they do like a Prime Day sale, Black Friday sale, I feel like these are typically included. See, $99.99 for this little assortment. Acme Tools, $186.99, and Tool Nut, $173. So if it's a set you need, it's an amazing time to get it. It likely, will be on sale again around Black Friday, although I don't remember seeing it cheaper than the $99.99. I feel like that's the staple when it does go on sale. DeWalt Mechanic Toolkit and Socket Set, 108-piece set. Comes with the handy-dandy case. Looks like we're getting 2 ratchets with that. Got some hex keys, lots of sockets. Not too much filler with this. A little bit of filler, but not a ton, compared to what some of these mechanic sets will do. Plus, sometimes I like the ones that are just a little bit smaller because they're lighter weight, they're more portable, easy to carry around. As nice as those big 3-drawer ones are that sometimes we can get for $99, we'll see this year if they come back at $99. I have a feeling we might start seeing them at $119, $129, just because the way prices of things have gone. And those sets are really great. The only problem is heavy as shit. You can barely pick that thing up, and you certainly don't want to be taking it all over the place with you. So I do kind of like this one being a little bit lighter, more maneuverable. It's going to be $65.38 for Prime Day. Home Depot is $87, about $20 more, and then Acme Tools is $108.99. Now, I want to show you some of the category pages linked at the top of the website there. The first one is the Automotive Deals page. We have this Gren Pro Socket Organizer. It's a 6-pack for only $25.99. Really like these. If you get that quarter-inch set from Gear Wrench that we talked about earlier, get these things to go with it, and you'll have all your quarter-inch sockets ready to go. Looking beautiful. You'll know exactly where they're at. Next up, Gear Wrench 4-piece breaker bar set. Prime price of $46.77. Just over $10 a piece, so don't break your ratchet, break your breaker bar. Craftsman wheeled manual 6-amp car battery charger, 175-amp engine starter, 2-in-1 solution. Normally $200, down to $135.99. Also wanted to show you this Vavor air jack at $103.69. I've never used this style, but I feel like it's super interesting. I really like the concept of it, the look of it. I don't know if I trust it, man. That's like stacking 3 basketballs or something on top of there and pumping it up. Still pretty interesting, though. Give it a shot. Use a jack stand, will you? Home improvement page. Got the Frost King 12-foot electric heat kit, heat cables. Wrap it on your pipes so they don't freeze. $13.74 prime price. Got another router bit set. If the $100 set from Bosch was a little out of the price range or not needed, we have this 1/4-inch shank set. It's only $16.97, about 36% off of its normal price. Even comes with a handy-dandy case. And it's got a lot of the basics. Get you started. Got the screen kit. Got to replace the screens. You got like some bastard dog that tears up your screens. This will save it. $3.47. Got a couple of bit sets, only $4.99 a piece. We got the Torx. And they're both Torx, just different sizes. So you can scroll through that and find the other home improvement deals. Of course, we'll be adding to that throughout the night. Hopefully find some more amazing deals for you guys. Now, this is the sports and outdoors deals page. Put a couple of generators on there. Got the Generac 10,000, 8,000 portable generator. It's a gas generator with electric start. Normally a little over $1,000. Going to be down to just $685. So that's 10,000 peak or surge watts and 8,000 running watts. Pretty good sized generator there. I kind of want to look into the Generac whole house generators. I'm thinking I need it. I'm tired of power going out and then thinking, boy, how long will it take for the pipes to freeze? Got the Duramax 13,000 watt dual fuel portable generator. Now this one is gas and propane. I really like the dual fuel or even the tri-fuels, but dual is good enough for me because I got the 1,000-gallon propane tank out there. Might as well put it to use. Now, this one's normally $1,800, but it's down to $1,079, so still pricey, but boy, you're saving almost $800, saving about $700 on it. So, really good deal. I like that both of these come with the full cage and the wheels, the carrying handle or the rolling handle, I guess, because, boy, those are heavy generators. $1,079 on both of those. I think that was the only things I specifically wanted to point out that was on this page. And real quick on the tech deals page, got a cell phone here at $129.99, normally $300. And the JBL speaker I wanted to show you, it's just a really popular item, and it's a brand name that people like know and trust and everything. The prime price of $27.95 seems like a pretty good deal. It's a little baby guy, but again, a popular item that, people like. It's popular. So there it is, and it's on sale. They have different colors, by the way. You don't got to go with that one if you don't want. So I'm going to have all of those linked down below. Take a little bit of a midday break, and then we're going to hit it again and hopefully find some more deals. Won't probably have time to do a follow-up video because people just won't have time to watch it. So keep an eye out for any new deals posted to the website. And by the way, the top of any of the web pages, you can sign up for the daily deals list. I'll be sending out the list of daily deals. So put your email address in there, and just another way to get notified of the deal so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.